Hey, Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde. Just want to do a walk around on this GTS that's ending this morning. There's been a lot of questions about quality of the paint and this and that, so I just wanted to do an up close video of it. So if you can zoom in on the front of the car, you can see the paint's really nice. There's no big flaws or defects or scratches or rock chips. Only thing I'd say it's kind of funky is the guy did like a rhino, almost like a bed liner material on the front lip spoiler. Those snap on and off, and they're kind of a disposable item. I can tell you on my GT3 RS, I've bought 3 of them already. They get destroyed. The windshield's really nice. The paint on the side, nice graphics. The wheels are cool center locks, upgraded on the car. Again, all the glass is original and not chipped or scratched anywhere. The car, it's nice and clean. The GTSs are cool with the GT3 style options. The carbon bucket seats on this car are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, you can see the back of them. Really cool. Really cool. Those are extremely rare. I'm not sure if they were even available in this car as an option from the factory in the U.S. It's got the factory original PPF on the stone guards, Michelin tires. The rear tires were brand new on it. We installed them. Come around the back, you got the quad tip exhaust, the rear deck lid, the GTS badging, all the lights and everything are nice and clear, not scratched up. Again, there just isn't really anything. The only thing you see like here, that's just dirt from being on the road. Car's super clean. Come around the seat and inside, no smells, never been smoked in, nothing like that. The Alcantara is all very nice. The stainless steel door entry GTS script is really cool on the car. Again, I just want to show the quality of this car is very nice. You should be very happy with it. Any questions, hit us up, use the contact seller button. If you want us to get you a shipping quote, we're happy to do that as well. Or if you're interested in Avant-Garde 911R representing your car and bringing a trailer, we'd be happy to talk about it. Again, just use the contact seller button. Thank you.